Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video, we're going to make this super easy apple cinnamon roll bake that is perfect for holidays or lazy Sunday mornings. With just a few ingredients and a few minutes, you can put together this epic breakfast. As always, the recipe will be in the description, so hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 2 cans of Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 21-ounce can of apple pie filling. In a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, mix together the cinnamon and the sugar, then set aside. Remove the cinnamon roll dough from the package and cut each roll into 6 pieces. Place the pieces in a mixing bowl and drizzle with melted butter and stir to coat. Add half of the cinnamon roll pieces to the Ziploc bag and shake to coat with cinnamon sugar. Repeat with the remaining pieces. Arrange the cinnamon roll pieces in a 9x13 baking dish that has been sprayed with nonstick spray. Sprinkle the leftover cinnamon sugar over the top of the rolls. If you're making this ahead of time, cover the dish with foil or plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. Also refrigerate the included icing. When ready to bake, drizzle heavy cream over the rolls. Cut the apples in the pie filling into bite-sized pieces and drop tablespoons of filling over the cinnamon rolls. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow to cool for 10 minutes, then drizzle with the included icing. I hope you enjoy this easy and delicious breakfast bake. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new recipes, and I'll see you next time.